Hey, yo, peace, peace. This your man, El.Judge, man, coming right back at you with some of that real talk real fast, man. Hey, the other day, man, I did a video, man, showing you how to program your crystals. And I used this crystal for an example. And let me show you something unique about this crystal, because this is not just a crystal. Of course, you see the copper wrapped around it, but what you don't see is the two magnets that are wrapped with copper. And the copper is continued and wrapped around the crystal. Now, when you wrap copper around a magnet, that magnet becomes what you would call, it creates a current, turning this into a generator. And me, when I program it with peace and love, so it becomes a peace and love generator. Now, remember, what did I say? You place the crystal up against your heart. Feel your heart beating. When you feel your heart beating, it's time for you to go. Breathe in peace. And when you breathe it in from all directions, peace. And breathe it into your heart. And then when you exhale love. Coming from the heart and into all directions. Now, the crystal is going to accept that programming. Now, often, when I take this crystal, you take that crystal and stick it in your pocket. And like I said, use your imagination and make you one. But when I take this crystal and stick it in my pocket, well, put it this way. Everything in existence puts off some sort of hertz, puts off some kind of radiation called megahertz. Listen to the word. Hertz is in the word. Now, when I have this thing in my pocket, man, ants are crawling on me all day, spiders, all kinds of insects on me all kind of day. People are really drawn to me. I can't hardly get anything done because everybody wants to stop and talk. You know what I'm saying? And also the opposite of that is that disagreeable people who are on a lower vibration, they feel that energy and it literally hurts them. Man, I could pull up at the stoplight and there'll be somebody right next to me and they start mean mugging me. And then I'll look right at them and they'll still continue to mean mug me because the energy radiating off of me, you know what I'm saying, due to that crystal is hurting them. See, now you know why this love frequency is so unwanted. Because the disagreeable ones, they can't take the energy. It will destroy them. I digress. But yeah, this doggone energy, man, it comes off of you, man, and this crystal, man, it just amplifies that love. And like I said, the disagreeable people, they'll be cussing you out, song, but they'll be walking away. And you cannot drop to their low vibration. You just have to continue to love them, man. It's a trip, man. But this is something that you can make. Now, you can also do this with your holy water. Yes, program your holy water. And then you can bless yourself, you know what I'm saying, on one of them quick days when you got to go, you bless yourself because it's already been programmed. You know what I'm saying? You can bless yourself before you go. And then if you got it in your pocket, you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. Because remember, what is water? I told you, it's liquid crystal. Water is everywhere in the doggone universe. And each little droplet of water holds the information. It holds information that has been around since the beginning of time. When you drink clear water, you're not just drinking water, you're drinking information. You're taking in information. You're breathing in information. You're talking about the acoustic records. The acoustic records are those droplets of water that's everywhere in existence. Man, this is going on too long, though. Let me get ready to keep this short. But make your own holy water. Use the same process. And if you find someone who is ill, place it on them. And if you in a rush, go ahead, bless yourself, and you irradiate that doggone energy out, man. Become the God force because it's already in you. You just have to merge with it. And you become a walking person who is healing everything. Even this doggone planet is going to love you. Like I said, the trees may drop a leaf and have it land right on you. Peace and blessings, man. I'm out.